How to change your birthday on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus from Create Login and Delete, back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Snapchat's birthday. So first what you'll need to do is open up Snapchat. After you do so, tap on the bit emoji on the top left. And after you do so, tap on settings, that is on the top right, and it's represented by a gear icon. After you tap on it, you will go to the settings. Now under my account, you will see on the third option, birthday. Tap on it and here you will get to adjust your birthday. So just adjust your birthday. You can choose your year, you can choose your month, you can choose your date. And after you do so, you can even select if you want a birthday party. That is, if it's your birthday, you can get the cake next to your profile with your friends. So you can toggle this on if you want to, or toggle this off. It's up to you. And after you do this, just tap on continue and your birthday will change. So it's that simple guys. That is how you change birthday on your Snapchat. And that is all for the video too. So if you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment section. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.